Hello, welcome to Akahi Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. I have this EGA question to solve with you. And this question is from ABU EGA, post UTME questions. ABU here is Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria. And in one of the years from their post UTME questions, this very EGA was tested. So question 1, my grandmother told a story that made me dash. A, laughing. B, laugh. C, laughed. D, to laugh. This question is from Advanced English Grammar. Advanced English Grammar. And don't forget that the word made will determine whatever correct answers we are going to make, or the choice of our answer. The rule says that whenever make, whether it is in the past tense or in the present form, is used in an expression, the next verbal element, that is the next verb, will be a present plural verb, that is a verb without s. Check the options. This one is progressive, this one is present plural, this one is past tense, and this one is to infinitive. So with what I've said so far, what is your answer? Without me seeing what, you agree with me that the correct answer to this question, number 1, from ABU Zaria, is option B, laugh. So the question will now read, or the statement will read, my grandmother told a story that made me laugh, not that made me to laugh. This will be incorrect, or this. So the correct answer is option B. Question 2, the principal with all the teachers and students dash. Okay, dash. The principal with all the teachers and students dash. This question is from a topic under grammar in English we call Concord, and the type of Concord here is called subordination Concord. Subordination Concord. How do we know that? We know that by the indicator or linker, subordinating linker. This preposition is used as a qualifier here, following our understanding of MHQ structure of the nominal phrase. The formula says that we have modifier, head word, and qualifier. And from this Concord, we have they as the pre-modifier. The head word in this sentence is the principal, while from here to the end is qualifier. Now the rule states that, the rule of grammatical Concord states that when a subject, that is the head word, is singular, the verb will be singularized, or will also be singular. Now the principle determines the verb that we agree with the subject, not this subordinator. This subordinate phrase is acting as a qualifier. That is the qualifier to the head word. Option A is singular plural. Okay, so why is the choice of arrived here? We say whenever has or any of the anomalous verb have, had, or has is used, the next verb will be in past participle, not the ing or past tense. This verb is also past participle and is past tense as well. So the correct answer is option A, has, not were having. Has arrived, not were arriving, have arrived. We didn't go for have because the subject, the head word, is singular. Is that noted? Okay, question 3. The contribution of the engineer was priceless. This question is from lexical synonymy. That's synonyms. Okay, words that have nearest the meaning or that is closely related. So the word giving prominence or that is foregrounded from this question is priceless. Priceless is not worthless. When something is priceless, it attach a lot of value, and invaluable is not the opposite of valuable. It is another degree of valuability that is invaluable. So you have contributed immensely or invaluably to the progress of this association. Invaluable means quintessential, paramount. Okay, so when you have valuable, another degree of greatness to valuability is invaluable. So invaluable means priceless. So the synonyms, the perfect synonyms from this option is option A, invaluable. The contribution of the engineer was invaluable. Question 4. The young man surmounted all the oppressive measures to break his will. Surmounted is the word giving prominence here. This one is also from lexical synonymy, and surmounted is giving prominence or emphasis. Okay, so surmounted is to subdue, but what is it subduing here? The young man surmounted, okay, all the oppressive measure. Not that he surmounted a particular person. If it surmount a particular person, that would be a defeat. But surmounted all the oppressive mechanism. This, an abstract noun, is not a proper noun. So you don't use defeat as we have in option D. So, but you can say he overcome. The young man overcome all the challenges. That is all the oppressive measures to break his will. So overcame is correct. Why do we go for overcame? Of course, it's in past form. So surmounted is in past form. Also, all the options are in past form, but this is the most appropriate option to overcame the oppressive measure. Yes, I want to quickly inform you that this tutorial is sponsored by Akahi Tutors, Ile-ife, and Akahi Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road in the heart of Ile-ife, Osun State. And should you are interested in admission to any of the varsity, we are currently preparing students for post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing, and JUPEP entrance exam. Please call the management of Akahi Tutors on 08038644328. Thank you. I am Joseph Iyaji. Bye.